Welcome to Study Quick. Today, we'll analyze the Earth's convergency between 2 points X and Y, situated on the same parallel but 8 degrees apart in longitude. Point X is at 173 degrees west, and point Y is at 176 degrees east. We will find their great circle bearings in both northern and southern hemispheres and calculate their latitude. Now let us solve it step by step. First, we will calculate latitude from convergency. We know that convergency is equal to change in longitude multiplied by sine, latitude. 7.2 equals 8 times the sine of latitude. To find the sine of latitude, divide 7.2 by 8, which equals 0.9. Now take the inverse sine of 0.9 to get the latitude, which is approximately 64 degrees 9 minutes. Using the formula for convergency, dividing 7.2 degrees by 8 gives the sine of latitude as 0.9, so the latitude is approximately 64 degrees 9 minutes. Next, calculating convergency for an 11 degrees longitude difference. Convergency between points X and Y is equal to 11 times sine of 64.15 degrees. The sine of 64.15 degrees is approximately 0.899. Multiplying these gives convergency of about 9.89 degrees, which rounds to 10 degrees. The conversion angle, CA, is half of the convergency. So, CA equals 1/2 times 10 degrees, which equals 5 degrees. In the northern hemisphere, the great circle bearing of point X from point Y is calculated by subtracting the conversion angle from 90 degrees, which gives 85 degrees. The great circle bearing of point Y from point X is calculated by adding the conversion angle to 270 degrees, resulting in 275 degrees. So, when flying in the northern hemisphere, the bearing from Y to X is 275 degrees, and the bearing from X to Y is 85 degrees. In the southern hemisphere, the calculations change slightly. The great circle bearing of Y from X is found by subtracting the conversion angle from 270 degrees, which equals 265 degrees. The great circle bearing of X from Y is found by adding the conversion angle to 90 degrees, giving 95 degrees. This is a clear explanation of great circle bearings in both hemispheres. In the northern hemisphere, to find the great circle bearing of point X from point Y, simply subtract the conversion angle from 90 degrees. This gives us 85 degrees. The bearing of Y from X is found by adding the conversion angle to 270 degrees, which equals 275 degrees. So, when flying in the northern hemisphere, the bearing from Y to X is 275 degrees, and from X to Y it is 85 degrees. Over in the southern hemisphere, the calculations are a bit different. The great circle bearing of Y from X is 265 degrees, calculated by subtracting the conversion angle from 270 degrees. Meanwhile, the bearing of X from Y is 95 degrees, found by adding the conversion angle to 90 degrees. Knowing how bearings change depending on the hemisphere is essential for accurate navigation and plotting the shortest paths between points on the globe.